Hello, and welcome to my second Let's Play for DIG 3043. This week we're looking at games from the 16-bit era, so SNES, Sega Genesis. I'm Anastasia Papiwanu, and for this one we were requested to do a game that started with the first letter of her first name and the first letter of her last name. So I'm trying to play The Adventures of Tintin, Prisoners of the Sun. So, this game was developed and published by Atari SA, formerly Infogames Entertainment. Atari SA is the French holding company in Paris for Atari. I couldn't find specifics on the designer of the game, but the game itself is based off of the comic book series by Belgian comic artist Hergé. So, this game is supposed to be an action puzzler, but let's get started. So, English please. We're starting with the cutscene, but I'm gonna skip it so we can get right into the gameplay. So Professor Cantanoeu has been attacked. I'll go and tell Dr. Mijay. So we have to go find Dr. Mijay. Okay, so basic controls, you're using left, right, up, down, Y to run, and A to jumps, or B to jump. I'm sorry, I'm still getting used to the running an emulator. But looks like we can't get over this pathway, but as you saw, what I just did is you can go from the foreground to the background, and that's a huge mechanic. So as you see, there's people. The people actually hurt you, so you have to avoid them. Oops, see, like I just took damage there. So the little scroll at the top left corner rolls up whenever you take damage. So this lady can hurt you too. Gotta avoid her. And we have to get through this area. I've actually played this quite a few times already. It's really difficult, and I haven't had the best luck with it. But I actually even had to look up a walkthrough to get through it. I don't even know. I can't tell you how people played games back then, but wow. Oop. So, oh, that gave us a little bit of life too. So keep going. So you're not going to see a lot of the mechanics, as I know it's an adventure puzzle game, but for right now, this is the main quirk, what makes it unique is the foreground background shifting, definitely. The game is also 7 hours, so I don't think we're going to get through a lot of it right now, but let's see if we can get past this part. Just turning on the light, and then it's on a timer, so we have to run. I can't run. Wow, okay. Oh, I was told to do this, but I can't see anything anymore. So let's try that again. Oh, took damage. It's okay. Down, jump, jump. Oh, took damage. It's fine. If we can just get past this room. Oh, nope. Oh, looks like we did it. Anyways, nice. Where's Dr. Mijay's office? It's at the end of the corridor. So we run. Watch out for more people. Wow. Can't believe people hurt you in this game. Ah! Oh, what's... Time? Timeout? I wasn't aware there was a timeout feature. Oh. Okay then. Well, as you can see, I'm not the best Adventures of Tintin player. So yeah, I think you've gotten just a general feel. Hopefully I can find a link to maybe some full gameplay, because I don't think I did a very good job of showing the actual game. I know it has more to do with adventure, like, of course adventure, but like more puzzle solving, amongst other things. So yeah, I think I'm not a good player, so maybe that biases for what I didn't like about the game. I think it's really pretty, I like the pixel art. But yeah, I didn't get much into the game to actually give a good review of it. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.